Good day all. Welcome to my course on pipe support engineering for industrial piping systems. It is a very useful course for all piping engineers, piping designers, fresh mechanical engineers who are wishing or who are interested to join piping industries, and even it will be beneficial for piping stress engineers who are at beginner level. The main points which will be covered in this course are that learn why pipe support is required. So whoever will be attending this course will be able to understand what are the significance of pipe supports, why pipe support is provided in a piping system, what all the functions that a piping support provides to the piping system so that it becomes failure proof, or without damage it performs its intended operation for a so long period of time. You know that process piping systems are designed for 20 years, power piping systems are designed for 25 years or more. So what kind of supports are used, how supports are engineered so that uh, all those piping systems perform the intended operation for which it is installed for such a long period of time. Then know and understand different types of pipe supports. You must be aware by now that there are various kinds of supports: rest support, guide support, hold down support, anchor support, then rigid hanger, spring hanger, u-bolt, trunnion, dummy. So out of all these supports you will be learning that what are the basics behind all those supports, when to use those type of supports, learn how to choose appropriate type of support based on the component geometry or component configuration, piping system philosophy. For example, for insulated piping you will be using shoe supports. For non-insulated pipe, uh, pipe can be directly rested on the pipe support. So all kinds of philosophies you will be learning. Now, able to place supports before pipe stress analysis. There are two kinds of systems you are aware by now, that one is called critical systems, other is called non-critical piping systems. For critical piping systems, mostly pipe stress analysis is performed and the type of supports are dictated by the piping stress engineers. However, for non-critical lines, stress engineers normally does not provide the supporting instruction or support guidelines. So you will be able to put supports, that what kind of support at what location to provide before performing pipe stress analysis. And also for critical lines also, even though stress engineers provide type of supports, initial locations before giving to the piping stress engineers, that is decided by the piping engineers or piping design engineers. So you will be able to know that how, at what distance rest support should be provided, at what distance guide support should be provided, where should we provide a limit stop support. So all those type of philosophies are discussed here. Then optimizing pipe supports. So by optimizing pipe supports you will be able to save a lot of cost for the project, because optimizing piping supports means you will be using less number of structures, less even, and by optimizing or providing supports at proper places, loads will be reduced. So civil team will be able to design their support structure with uh, medium or lower type of members, not heavier members. So cost will be finally reduced. Then pipe support standard and special pipe support. Now you will be knowing that what are the roles of a pipe support standard in every project, what points are covered in pipe support standard, and what is a special pipe support, when do we go for special pipe support. So all those philosophies are discussed in the course. And finally you will be learning a brief about uh, pipe support engineering considerations, that for while providing supports, selecting from support standard, what points you should take care for your support selection and other things. This is the brief overview of all these points which will be covered in this course. So I hope that you are clear what points will be covered in this course, and for more details you can easily read the description that is mentioned in the course. From there you will be knowing that who are the best person to undertake this course. Thank you and happy learning.